morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Nobin Pradhan. All India Radio Kohima is celebrating the third anniversary of FM Tragopan today. FM Tragopan was launched on 2nd October 2017, coinciding with the birth anniversary of Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi. The FM was named after Nagaland's state bird, the Blight's Tragopan, an endangered species mostly found in the state, with an aim to spread awareness among the younger generation to conserve and preserve the rich flora and fauna of our state. On the occasion, Head of Program and Assistant Director N. Kaimang Chang said, "Today marks another significant milestone in the history of All India Radio Kohima as FM Tragopan celebrates its third anniversary and thanked the Almighty for making the FM possible and successful." Chang praised the RJs for their undying attitude of entertaining the listeners with their talents of creativity and approachable thoughts. He also conveyed his gratitude to the listeners from across the state and other parts of the country and abroad for their constant support through messages and requests without which FM Tragopan would not have reached thus far. Kaimang further expressed hope that this medium will help the listeners from all over the country to come closer and celebrate the diversity of this great nation. Since the launch, FM Tragopan 103 MHz being in the digital global platform through the official Prasar Bharati News on Air app and also the only FM channel in Nagaland, has been catering with varieties of programs including live shows, requests and other which are informative, educative and entertaining to listeners not only of the state but also other states and abroad. In view of the forthcoming by-election to fill the vacancies in the Nagaland Legislative Assembly for 14 Southern Angami 1 and 60 Pungro Kipiri Assembly constituencies, Chief Electoral Officer CEO Nagaland Abhijit Sinha held a meeting with all political parties in the state. The CEO and his team of officials briefed the representatives of the political parties about the broad guidelines issued by the ECI for conducting elections during COVID-19, the various provisions of election expenditure monitoring, enforcement of MCC, about EVMs, VVPATs and several other pertinent issues connected with the conduct of the by-elections. Representatives of BJP, Congress, NDPP, NPF, NPP, JDU, RPI were present in the meeting. Today is Gandhi Jayanti. The nation is paying homage to the father of the nation. In our special series on life and times of Mahatma Gandhi, we bring you Bapu Ki Baat. Mahatma Gandhi on democracy said, "The spirit of democracy is not a mechanical thing to be adjusted by abolition of forms. It requires a change of heart." The District Administration and District Level Center for Women DLCW Mahila Shakti Kendra Phek under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao organized a talk show on making a career in music industry with Bollywood Sufi singer, lyricist and music composer Kailash Kher as special guest. Speaking through a virtual platform, Kher said that the aspiring musicians and artists should first win hearts and soul before earning money. He maintained that there is still lack of industry and market for the artist owing to ignorance of the people regarding the benefits of music. Managing Director and founder of Nagaland College of Music and Fine Arts, NCMFA, Vesato Thelio said that Nagaland has scope in the music industry. Nagaland recorded 26% deficient rainfall during this monsoon season from 1st June to 30th September. In the release, Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority and SDMA Home Department, in coordination with the Regional Meteorological Center Guwahati, issued weather updates saying that heavy to moderate rainfall activity is expected in the state over the following week, while rainy season is going to continue till about 20th of this month. During this period, thunderstorms and lightning accompanied with heavy rains is expected in the districts of Kipire, Kohima, Longleng, Mokokchung, Mon, Perenpek and Tuensang. In this, NSDMA has requested all the DDMAs and other line departments to remain alert and to attend to any emergencies caused by natural calamities to save lives and properties during this period. It also requested public not to shelter under large trees and near the river banks to prevent unnecessary risk to life, lightning and landslides. And that's all the news we have for you this morning. Have a nice day.